Alrighty, this is what we got going on here today. Master bedroom, tearing out carpet and putting down hardwood. See what we got going on there. Every time we pull out a piece of furniture, because we are setting stuff on hardwood in the other room, we'll cut right around the piece of furniture with our, take that piece of carpet, flip it upside down, soft side down, and set our furniture on the carpet that we just cut out. Let me show you exactly what we're talking about here. Just like that. Okay, we got everything up and out, and just as I talked about last time about screwing the floor down, if you just try to go here and there and here and there, you're gonna waste a lot of time just trying to find the screws. I'm gonna start right here. Oh. So I'm gonna start right here and just work my way across the whole room, screwing down all the joints. This is just a whole bunch of squeaking. Whole bunch of squeaking going on here. So fixing to take care of that. Okay, we have got everything completely ready now. We got our floor sanded, all of our everything is swept, vacuumed around the walls, vacuumed out the cracks, vacuumed out the nail holes. Everything is ready to go. Vacuumed off the top of the baseboard, vacuumed off the top of the plug-ins. Everything is ready to go. So, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I don't even know what kind of wood we're working with. We got some in the other room. I'm gonna check it out right here and see if it's the same width as what's down here. If it is, I'm gonna line it with what we got right here. I'll just carry this straight on out. I'm not gonna weave it. I'm not gonna weave it because I'm planning on transitions. I'm not gonna go through all the trouble of weaving it when it's not planned. So if it is the same width of wood though, I will pop a line right straight with this existing wood and start off of that and work my way that way. If it's not the same wood, then I will start right back over here, get me a straight line, pop it, come this way. I am going to go crossways in this because the joists are running this way, and we only have a 3/4 inch substrate. If actually we do. Well, yeah, we do. We got just one sheet right there, about yay deep. Whoa, look at them filthy hands. Anyway, I'm going across the joists with this wood. Let's cock-a-doodle-doodle get to it. All you have to say is oh toodles. Okay, so it is the exact same wood here. So what I did, I got me a line, come off of this angle wood right here, which is at a 45. Got my stay boards here. Now I can take, what'd you do to my other board? Take my run now and go ahead and get it started. And these are fastened down to the floor, so I can go ahead and start. Go ahead and start nailing off of this run right here and just take off. Then I will put me a spline here in the groove side, turn around and go back that way. But I got me a nice line right here, lined up with this wood so it'll just flow, minus the transition of course. But anyway, starting point here, take off and run that way. Alrighty, so this is what we got done today. Nice little, probably 7 feet, something like that, maybe 8 feet. But let's see here, I can step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. about 6 foot, I guess. So after fixing to call it a day, and we will come back tomorrow to carry on. And luckily the client's nice enough, since we're coming right back, leave all your stuff here. And it's like, cool. So all my big stuff, I always take my bags with me. I use my stuff at home, but anyway, keep Luke from unloading all that stuff. Takes him like 45 minutes or so in the mornings to get all this stuff out of the van, walked around the back of the house and set up and everything like that. So definitely appreciated to be able to leave the stuff here. I'll pop that vent in right there, and we are fixing to get outy-batty. Since we got everything straightened up, took off and everything like that, straight on both walls for the rest of the room. One doorway here, straight for the rest of the room. It's gonna be a piece of cake. We'll get right up in there. We'll have some more 45s. That's actually like a 40 right there, and this one was a 45. So you always see stuff like that. Hardly anything is ever true anymore. But anyway, we're gonna get outy-batty.
And as always, thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.